Hey guys, I just sharpened my reel type mower. This is a Great Estates reel type mower, but any reel type mower is going to be like this, and I'll show you how to do it because I just did it. So what I did first was, what you got to do is you got to tighten up where this cutting bar here meets these blades. And in order to do that, you have to take a screwdriver here. This is facing forward as you push the mower, by the way. So the front nut gets turned ever so slightly to the counterclockwise, and the back nut gets turned ever so slightly to clockwise in order to tighten. Same over here. And we're talking a very slight turn. I mean, we're talking like not even a 16th of a turn. Now the problem is, I haven't done this in a long time. These bolts are screws are very tight. So what I did was I hit it with some PB blaster, which is an amazing thing. And then I walked away for 10 minutes. When I came back, I was able to turn those nuts. So there's a little tip for you. So the other thing you're going to need is one of these sharpening kits. And all that's in there are some instructions, some sharpening compound, a brush, which is in my sink right now because I already did it, and and the crank handle. What you want to do here, once you get that tightened up, is you want to turn your mower over onto its right wheel, like so. Take your screwdriver, take this little hubcap, see? That. Okay. Then you've got this little C-ring here. You just kind of like put the screwdriver down there and twist that guy off. Comes off like that. So I might need to take my glove off in order to get that. Okay. So then you take the wheel off. Okay. Very simple. And here's the thing. Here's the trick, okay? So in the instructions it says be very careful because underneath this pinion nut is a pawl, P-A-W-L. And all a pawl is a very short piece of metal. So when you take this off, we're talking about this little piece of metal right there, okay? And that turns this gear. Also, what happens is this crank handle fits over top of that pawl, like so. Okay, so once you get to this point, you want to take your paste. This is the sharpening paste. And all this is a little paste with some corrosive bits in it, like a little fine grit, okay? Take that, and you take your paintbrush, and you paint it along each and every one of these cutting edges. Okay? The whole length. You don't have to worry about it being too evenly displaced because as you crank this crank, it's going to sharpen, it's going to distribute the paste as it sharpens. So, like I said, you want to have these tight enough that like it's really hard for you to turn the crank. I mean, you have to turn it, but like there should be some abrasion. What you're going to do is you're going to turn it in the opposite direction in which it normally flows, which is counterclockwise. So you take the crank and you spin this counterclockwise for like 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes. But what happens when you're done is you get this nice cutting edge here. What you want to do is you want to take a cloth and you want to take off that sharpening compound. So you don't want to leave it on there, okay? Then what you can do is you can take WD-40 like this and spray it on the cutting edge in order to kind of seal up that fresh metal. And that'll keep it nice and sharp for a while. Then take off your crank, take your pinion nut, put it back on like so. You can see it's on right because it will spin. Take your wheel right back on top. for you to see. Okay. Take that little E-shaped ring. You can use your screwdriver to pop that thing back on there. And then take your hubcap and put that back on there. Now, when you're done, you're probably going to have to readjust these screws again because they're going to be really tight up against this blade bar here. This blade and the blade, they're going to be hitting, and you don't want them to hit too much, so you're going to have to adjust the opposite way. So the front-facing screw will go right just ever so slightly. The back-facing screw will go left, and that will separate the bar from the blades ever so slightly. You want to do that on both sides until you get to the point where you're moving the mower forward, but you're not getting a free spin on the wheel, right? See? It is making contact. And then you can just take it for a spin. You can see that the job is done. And it's actually cutting the grass and the clover and whatever you want to say is in your yard. So anyway, it's easier than it looks. There's big warnings on all the instructions that I saw about that pawl, not losing that pawl once you take that pinion gear off. So be careful of that. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. And please like this video if it helped you. Have a great day.